Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. Yes, preemptive strikes save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel hate criminals with a passion. Yes, we hate criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpets awaits you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Marley. If this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above. Click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not a sympathetic channel for criminals. You must go elsewhere if you want a criminal sympathizer channel. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your mama, your papa, mommy, daddy, and girlfriend, boyfriend, neighbor, side chick, side man, and your co-worker. Yes. Remember to share the video. And tell a friend to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. That we at this channel, we hate criminals with a passion and we don't want them to go to prison. We have lots more of videos that are not on YouTube. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you'll be able to gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this on top collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Join our Patreon community allows you to explore content that complies with laws, rules, regulations while avoiding disruption of our channel's functionalities. Moving on to today's video. Yes, we always tell you to look at your LCD when we're doing our presentation. As you have seen earlier, we had shown you about Spragga Benz and Marleys and others. As you know that, Spragga Benz, we understand that boy, your favorite gun is the SMG. Hey, Spragga Benz, did we get it correct? Yeah. If I didn't get it correct, you can link me on Instagram. Please let me know at 954-556-0275. Yeah man, you can call me. Yeah man, cause we know say in America. And we know say you're tuning in and you see the thing and you can't believe say the Fed boy, yeah. That's what I mean, yeah man. You can't believe say the Fed boy have your file and them thing from Jamaica, cause special branch. Then you know that they were onto you and them thing there, yeah man, you and the others them after you kill Stumpy. But a good thing you have a good lawyer and them thing there, cause you're lucky, man. It's because they've obtained the evidence illegally. It's not like in a cartel case where them, you understand. Because them anti you a long time, but boy, you're just lucky and cartel. So it wasn't your time. But so we'll continue the journey. So at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we are committed to saving lives, yes, and preventing innocent bloodshed. We don't like that. For months, we have received information from various sources, including, former special branch, detectives, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, intelligence arm, the PNP criminal organization government dismantled this branch, and the jail Jamaica Labour Party government has refused to reinstate it. The reason being is that special branch is very effective in exposing corrupt politicians, them going out and coming in, expose them. So because of that now, both parties say, you know what, better we get rid of that intelligence arm, because them always have dirt pan way and them things. So them create some like a puppet, so-called intelligence agency in our police force, like them NFDI, NFDIC, NIB and all the other little places. But these places, nothing like special branch. Special branch had a real deal. If special branch was there, them could have give you Mark Golding a copy and birth certificate when born in England. You understand? Although them have it, but you don't know through them dismantle it. And some people, because when them dismantle special branch, it's like you have a business and them thing there, and liquidators just come in and say, all right, let's take a bit your things and go on. But some people in a special branch, said, they were coming, and some people know some files. So we have Spragga Benz file and them thing there. It's thick. Yeah, and Spragga Benz file thick, man, may I tell you. So we'll continue. So the special branch was known for its meticulous intelligence gathering and accuracy in uncovering corrupt politicians, police officers, elites, criminals, dancehall and reggae artists. Them even have a file for Luciana too. I tell you, Luciana, yeah man, boy, I tell you, Luciana. Yeah, the file of them have on Junior Reid, they just do it the other day. Just the Sandakan thing, nothing else. Them can't link Junior Reid to no murder. Them have a file on Beanie Man. I'm not going to call my virgin name. Them have a file on him too. Yes, them have a file on Baby Sham. Baby Sham has some damaging thing. Yeah man, same Baby Sham. He used to power with Spragga Benz stuff back in the day too. I not even didn't know that. So most people that think about Baby Sham come through Bounty Killer, no. Baby Sham original virgin was Spragga Benz. It was an egg incident when he threw egg and flour pan Baby Sham. I saw them not talk. So Baby Sham was one of them too, where normalize the sucking, the girl suck thing and the battery business. All of them did deny it. So man, so all see them are going and them thing there, and they were part of decadence and destruction of the Jamaican girls, them young girls, them mine. And guess who get it? Vice Cartel, because Vice Cartel do it explicit. But Vice Cartel is not the arbiter of it. The arbiter of it is Spragga Benz and when name Baby Sham. Yeah, we're not put up no picture of Baby Sham, but we have some real dirt on Baby Sham. We can tell you some things and all kind of thing with Baby Sham involved in it. But so this is almost the second time we mentioned something about him. So whether or not you like the dancehall artist known as Spragga Benz, whose real name is Carlton Errington Grant, there are unsettling truths that many Jamaicans are unaware of. Spragga Benz is widely considered to have played a significant role in normalizing decadence in Jamaican society, particularly in his home area of Sight. Yeah, that's out by Dunkirk. Yeah, I tell you. So he has been implicated as a principal conspirator. Yeah, a girl. Yeah, young, although she's a big man now. Yeah, she says Spragga Benz. Yes. She says Spragga Benz run battery on her. And those of you who are Jamaicans and know or understand what battery mean to say you're a woman and make a man allow for. She give him permission and consent to have sex with her. Then him friend would allow her 5 and 6 other men to have sex with her. That's what you call battery. That is rape. Because she give the first one permission, but through a ghetto and which part of them live or the community, if the woman go report it, say, she go look like the bad person, because that's what them do in a community. So Spragga Benz is alleged to be one of them man there. And Spragga Benz even have all a data in a site where him not own. How you do that and them thing there? How you have all a youth where you not own? And boy, I tell you, them man are some real dirty man still doing it. Yeah, so it is alleged that many of the so-called dons out by Dunkirk, yeah man, I tell you, who he knew and support are deeply involved in such activities. What kind of dan them this? Dans were involved in a battery, and somebody done a big rear admiral and them thing. Oh, all a man say my rear admiral, yeah, cause doggy brother who had done out them a big rear admiral, you know. Oh that, oh you know say a man a big known rear admiral and you say you in a gang with him. What kind of man them this? I must a rear, I will of them a rear out by out this a beer, the man a peer rear admiral all these are done out this. So according to a file from Special Branch, authorities came very close to arresting and charge Spragga Benz and his associates with triple murder that are intended to kill Stumpy. These revelations highlight a stark contrast between Spragga Benz, public persona, and alleged connections and actions behind the scenes. In a recent visit, we discussed how Spragga Benz associates including TPN and Kino, aka Red Square, allegedly wanted to kill the artist Assassin because he refused to give them money to take them on tour and stop making music under them their label. So Assassin stop, give gunman them because hey look, when you're an artist and them, so that's why Bounty Killer you have to left see you. When you're an artist and you live in and you want to have influence in these communities, you have to literally mind man, you know. Them not working at them, they're on you, so you have to buy them clothes, buy them picnic, feeding and all kind of thing. I don't know how man do it, so that's why they like killer and buy man all gun and them thing there. You understand? So that's why Bounty Killer left see if you can not buy no man, no gun and him not mind a man. Well, although I never that still, but that's one I part of the thing when you're an artist and you're connected with the garrisons. These are the things why them respect you. You have to, mind them. So Bounty Killer not mind no man can have him picking them for mine. So you understand? So the video included deliberately omitted, we omitted the word not to bait these criminals into coming forward and denying the claim. But they did not take the bait. This static was intended to draw out the truth and expose the criminal affiliations of those involved. And we noted the few of them were come out and Assassin did at the funeral. We know that they're all over social media. That was deliberately done. To get out the criminals them for come for get them bomb and say, because we know the one that were post, because we don't know say most people law abiding citizens, them not follow up them people their lifestyle and them thing unless them come on YouTube or read the star. So Assassin knew that TP and Kino, aka Red Square, wanted to kill him and the others them. You have Briggy Benz and all of them them people Briggy Benz, say Briggy Benz bring Assassin around Spragga Benz. But Spragga Benz intervened and told them not to. Yeah, him tell them say, don't kill Assassin. So this message serves as a warning to the Marley boys, Bugle, Jashi, and others who are associated with the Spragga Benz. The men from Sight and their Dan Doggy have stated that everyone associated with Spragga Benz is fair game. So I want to listen, including Kimani Marley, Damian Marley, Stephen Marley, Ziggy Marley. The Marley name alone them say cannot protect them from the vengeance sought for Stumpy and others. Spragga Benz is allegedly responsible for killing. Whether or not you want to believe it, it seems that a significant number of our dancehall artists in Jamaica are involved in criminal activities, including the killing of fellow Jamaicans from their communities. This violence caused immense pain, mourning and emptiness for the relatives and their friends of the victims. Whether you want to believe it, it seems like a majority of our artists in Jamaica are involved in criminality of killing their fellow Jamaicans from the same community where they are from. And they do not hesitate to cause pain, mourning and emptiness inside the relatives and friends of the deceased people. So we know that currently we have two notable dancehall artists in Jamaican prison. Desmond Ninjaman Valentine, him for rotting in a prison. Him now come out, and Adija Vibes Cartel Palmer. Yeah, Vibes Cartel, him already dead because the amount of people are waiting to kill him. You have to remember, I tell you, the man a theme file tick. who are in Vybz Kartel is in prison for murder. So both of them are in prison for murder. So one of the dancehall artists who is pretending to be a Rastaman, Spragga Benz, whose name is Carlton Errington Grant, is a well-known Jamaican dancehall DJ, actor, have been able to escape the long arms of the law due to insufficient evidence. This man is not a saint or angel, he's an agent of death and destruction. And some people are saying that he has planted the seed of wickedness, and that's what he will continue to reap. Based on information obtained and received, anyone who is in the presence or company of Spragga Benz is fair game. So this is a warning to the Marleys them, because that's what the man them say. That them say, boy, yeah, we talk to people we're close to Stumpy with them kill and all of them things there, and them help bent and getting him man them thing there. You know, so because they have armed him up knowing that he is a gang leader and a killer. As we have stated here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we are all about saving lives here, and we do not want the bloodshed of any innocent person on this channel shoulder. For months, we have received information from various sources. As we stated, Special Branch, the intelligence arm of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and from people who are connected to Doggy and Stumpy, and even to the rear Doggy brother who is a rear admiral out there by sight right now. That's the same brother you saw on the TV. He killed 3 people in Jamaica, yeah, and he run away and them thing there. And seems that Jamaica him had done them not charge him, because in Jamaica people not talk. Because if you're an informer, in Jamaica once you get evidence in a murder case, you have to literally run away. You have to run away. You can't live in Jamaica no more. So that's how them make Jamaica. And then the man said Jamaica are going there and mash up the place, man. The PMP criminal organization mash it up. I remember when I was a young police officer of a murder case. The people the murderer would be in a jail and the witness them to murder next door. Them just don't talk. And them go court testify, send them on a prison them thing, and the family then just not deal. Nobody then have to run away. No sir. You witness all them kill all them mother or anybody if you have to run away and go in a witness protection program and go live in America, Canada, England. That's how them do it, yeah. You can't live in Jamaica no more. If you have family down there, then kill all their family, like what them do with the brother in a Klansman one done trial. And boy, may I tell you, even all that too, may I tell you, hey, you think say Spragga Benz are one nice boy, I tell you, say, you're going to hear some things about Spragga Benz. Spragga Benz are one of the most dangerous, all even, whether or not you want to believe it, all Klansman gang, the three of them, that because of Vybz Kartel. You're going to hear some things where, but him though, you must think say easy. I don't know, easy, hey, what I think say, as you hear him say, man, I'm not punk. You see, like how you see him behave and believe like bad man on stage. And in real life, I saw him behave for real. Him, yeah man, the man in a play. Listen, Kartel in a prison because Kartel, them get film thing solid. But him now, Spragga Benz, totally different. That's why I'm out there. More or less, maybe he must afraid to come back to Jamaica because all them they get the evidence against him and TP and the others them after the murder after the murder of Stumpy. Them get the information illegally. So I don't know, more or less he would afraid to go back down there because he knows anytime they name him as person of interest, guess what? The man, the police, them have the man, them a talk about the murder and them thing, and phone, Spragga Benz and TP and others. Yeah, and man, them a boss, man, but guess what? The police, them never have the authority to record it and them things. So I saw it going to Jamaica, a criminal spot, and that make the man beat it. So when they come out and name it as person of interest, the police then did have him solid. But solid in a, not the right way. And him smart, them you get liar and lie up himself. So them go back to Jamaica and them gonna do him nothing. Maybe, I just saw it go on them thing like PMP, both political parties make certain so them have laws that protect criminals. So that's why Tommy Lee Sparta was able to get held with a gun to kill rifle and one of the British, and him just a 2-year free gun and come out and him the charge of them murder there. In America now, him with a charge he murder under a prison. That's how it go. Or him give up the person who give him the gun and testify against them or him go to prison. No, and that's why you go to Jamaica. That's why we tell us that Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. So I think a joke we are make. Yeah, so as we tell you already, so the government them refuse, you know, the government they are part of the criminality in Jamaica. Yeah, so when we did the video about Spragga Benz, shot a killer, TP and Kino, aka Red Square wanted to kill, you know, a man from Kentire, assassin, according to them, because he had refused to give them money and for buy gun and shot and take others on tour with him and stop making music under their label. And him start doing his own thing independently. The only thing missing from the video was the word not, as we said before, and we are not going to say it's deliberate or not. It is for the criminals who are affiliated with Spragga Benz. So come on the program and deny assassins' presence at the funeral of his son. Not because a person is somewhere in person. That doesn't mean or meant that they are there in person. And that is why we had written that we had posted on the channel. So the word not is not hyperbole, but a distraction to get out the criminals and let them refute the claim. But they did not take the bait. Why? We wanted these guys to come on the show and tell the world the truth. Assassin knew that TP and Kino, aka Red Square, wanted to kill him assassin. But Spragga Benz told him not to kill him. As we continue this message, it is for the Marley boys. Yeah man, them want to send the Marley boy them. Yeah man, them say a fear game. So we are telling the Marley boys them to stay away from Spragga Benz when he's in Jamaica, as they are in belt and getting revenge for Stumpy and the others whom Spragga Benz is responsible for killing. So whether they like assassin or not, he is not a criminal-minded person. Fully. You know, they must say I'm half criminal-minded. I don't know how them come by that. And they must say him kind of change his life around from the Clarks and the diamond sacks. Yeah man, because we have a picture of assassin, you know, and him young, in them Clarks and him diamond sacks. I'm to portray himself as bad man. But when him there on Spragga Benz, I realize how serious this thing has start get. Yeah, with death and all of them things, I say, no sir, it's not my life, you know. And then after that now his mother passed away and I said, no, he decided to cheat. That's why I'm changed from assassin to agent Saska. Yeah man, agent Saska for lock up people, yeah, that I mean, you understand? So I say I'm a law abiding DJ. So people don't understand that although him use the word agent, metaphorically, it have a meaning in a real world to him and to them, because him then a Red Square thing and him something. You understand? So the people are saying, you know, right now, assassin is a role model for Jamaican youths, and Spragga Benz is the epitome of evil and a wolf in sheep clothing. As we tell you already about, as the man them say, anytime Spragga Benz are Jamaica, you know, despite his public persona and Rastafarian images, them say anybody there around him a fear game. Because you know, so members are criminal, you know, some of them can't shoot, you know. And enough of them, based on what them say, you know, so them afraid of Spragga Benz. Yeah man, enough of them afraid of him. Even the man them, because them say him can't shoot good. And them say him always strap with whether the government give him gun or him have him own gun. Them man then a left gun. And that the man them say, you understand, him rival, them say Spragga Benz a left gun when him there at Jamaica. Because him have to protect himself when him there. Although no bad no upper. You understand what I'm saying? I just saw them on the road. Them man there always in a problem on them thing there with the law. Because them man don't believe in following the law. But we'll tell you over and over again that Jamaica is a criminal's paradise. So we're going to tell you some things about Spragga Benz that you're going to be shocked about. Yeah, several things. Because Spragga Benz, even the guy who got the contract to kill Corey Todd, I want a Spragga Benz shooter get the contract for kill him back. He must think Spragga so that's why Vybz Kartel afraid of Spragga Benz like puss of all of the people them were him ever, you know, try to bat upon one somebody him afraid of. The only somebody Vybz Kartel afraid of. And him say it in a prison. Not in so many words. But because I want incident happened at Port Royal where him shit up himself. Literally. You know, when something happened and a man have belly working, yeah, Vybz Kartel shit up himself at Port Royal. He may have to change him underpants before him left there and left in him saucer pants. Use the underpants because how Spragga Benz do him over there. You go shock. You must think Spragga Benz are an ordinary man. But I watch him on the Rasta and them thing there that a fake. I want dangerous Rasta man. I tell them man and the Rasta them are dread. So to all of them, all of the people, all of the Rasta them and so-called Rasta, the Joshy them and all of these people, this is a warning to you guys. Them say, if you are caught in the presence or in a company of Spragga Benz, you are fear game. Because Spragga Benz kill them friend and them want blood. I just say go. So when you're a criminal, you must be prepared, you know, to live your life as a criminal and go out as a criminal. That's how it is when you're a criminal. I don't know how a man do it, but hey, I feel them thing, you know. You understand? Them enjoy doing them thing. You see me? Me know them thing. Because as I say, I love life. I like sleep and I like sleep good when night come. I don't know why a man choose such life involved in a criminality. Then he must walk and look over his shoulder. I see me always on the alert because I know I have enemies everywhere. You understand? And based on my job too. You understand? So that's why certain things I don't know. You know, catch me. You won't catch me on a stage show. You won't catch me at a club. Unless, yeah, the place them where you catch me and them thing there. Most of the corals them not go there because them not go which part conscious music play. And guess what? Them artists, the conscious artists, them on the tour, like a Everton blend, and you understand? You know, I'll catch me on the Marley them concert, because me not gonna know when people were mixed up in a coke. Coke destroy other people's life. You don't care how much money you make on them thing there. You're suffering, and your money where you make, your pitting them can't escape the judgment from God. Me I tell you that. You can't escape that. So don't care how much money you make from coke, your end must, it'll be bitter. So our word to the wise is sufficient. We get the message, so we just pass it on to you and you and you. So as them say, Spragga Benz, we just have, you know, make you know, hello, you know that the man them say, you know, anytime them catch you, I just you have to just be on the alert. Yeah, well, why you hate kids based on the information received? You know, it's just that most people just think that your son was dead, junior, and your daughter the one where, you know, the man them, you know, box her up at the party, but you know, Miami and them thing there. But I mean, you know, only live so, Virgin. Oh, you live so. What kind of life that? But, hey, look, all of we are going dead in a Virgin. But it's how a man live him life. When I encourage a man in a criminality and kill people, you can't kill people, yeah, in a self-defense. Yeah, man, that's why me love the departure lounge a criminal. Yeah, man. Because when we send him a departure along, I save life. But we tell us, boy, Spragga, we have a file, man, big and you know, look nice at all, but you're alive, you know. You're alive. And don't get upset if you never did want your life to be on media platform. You wanna live your life like that, you know, involving killing other people. As we say, anything we a man do, I'm supposed to proud of it. If you're a thief, drug dealer, anything, proud, don't be ashamed of your life that. Like for me not ashamed of nothing I'm doing in my life. You understand? People tell lie upon me, even pin how many other murder upon me, and I never commit a murder in my life. Everything I do is self-defense. So in time them can't do that, then them come with other things. With all the foreign and like me I only police are sent Andrew South in my time where, you know, we can defend him life and them thing there. Where the man all get all plant all, say me kill all soldier. I just saw it go on them thing there. Then you have all, you know, one a PMP I tell life on me. I mean I tell her, so I tell her, say, I'm no labor never tell life on me. PMP. I'm a born and grown in a PMP community and I them I tell life on me. But that's why I fairly speak the truth. PMP tell life on me. Because them not like me, because I don't support them on criminality. You understand? A man I say, oh, man I'll come out and make casing up on YouTube. Yeah. You know, you understand this child molester brother named Juby. And solid say I'm me. I'm not even dead, you know. America me there, you know. And then people still ask me about that. And ask me about that thing. Want to man where rifle pay me for kill. Rifle never pay me for, no man never pay me for kill nobody yet. You know, where people get all of them something from. And me never met no police charge for murder yet. No police. Me never go on an operation or nothing. I want police charge. Because me not eat that all them thing there. Me don't know how people come by them thing and all man claim say them are police and you know, all of them things are just lies, you know. But when I stop continuing to speak the truth because only the truth has set we speak free. So I would say, you know, these so-called Rastas, them are angel of death, man. Drug dealers, gang leaders, rapists, conspirators in rape. And them need for trim. All of them. Yeah, man. All of them. Spragga Benz, Marley, Buju Banton, Capleton, Stephen Marley. And seriously, all of them need for trim. The man are Rasta. Them are dread. I tell you that. Because for you mix up in a coke on them thing, they kind of Rasta. Rasta not deal with them thing. You don't know how well them say. Chip na fall from the block. The Marley them, all the Marley them. Boy, I tell you, in a coke and a smoke coke and all of them things. You're not Rasta business, that Rasta. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out.